Ding dong. Huh. Who could that be? Just skip to the next scene. Wait, what? A bird? In fact, a robot. Wait. Oh my god, they're actually heavy. Okay. Oh, you went now though. Hey Toto!
What?
Do you have any spare wings? Oh,
I have
it's
a
right
bunch
there.
of... Alright, just for that.
Just attach it to this bag.
I'm too small.
We're both adults.
It's still too small.
Okay, skip to the next scene. Okay. Let's turn this bird on. What am I doing here? Who are you?
Cooper, wake up.
My name is Bird.
Cooper, I'm going to throw this.
I guess you're my son. Ow. I guess you're my dad. Ah, stop!
Cooper, stop sleeping.
I'm just so tired. Plus, I don't really want to show on the video.
Here, I want that.
What a warm pack.
Something warm.
How old are you? 16.
What the? What the?
Yeah, that's probably why the height. Anyways, the one is food. No, I pooped my pants.
You're literally an adult. Why are you still
I'm
pooping?
16.
You're literally an adult. And why are you still pooping your pants?
I'm 16. You know, 16 people are teenagers.
So what?
How did you not know that? Anyways, I guess you need a diaper. I guess you need a diaper. Yay. Here you go. And you... Yay.
It was on your face, so we need to rub it down.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, he's obviously. Okay, you're finally good.
Edison, let's play Minecraft. Okay, so Happy, which is he's dead.
Don't say that. Just say deep sleep. Or you're gonna get... Yeah.
I wish Happy was here.
He's your voice.
Hello, Happy. Hello. I'm also voices are very fun.
Okay, let's go avoid.
Let's play Minecraft.
What are you doing?
Play Minecraft.
What's Minecraft?
It's a game that's you mine. And then you craft.
I should have known that.
That's why it's called mine. Because you mine and you craft. Look at my character. I'm borrowing Javi.
Why are you green?
Yeah.
Why are you blue head? You're not even blue.
Javi wants to.
Not to play.
Sorry, we don't have enough work.
Well, I'm gonna put my diaper. Okay, don't you done. Okay, Tara, ever just do it. I hate changing his diaper.
Okay, we ran out of blocks, so you
have a lot of black.
We have a bunch of random blocks. The wood is mostly important because we gone in a deep cave. Look! Ah! Wait, I don't care. Now there's a small fight. Wee! Frog swimming in lava. Ooh! Don't get that! Dead. Yay, we respawned and we have keep inventory.
Let's keep inventory.
So that means your inventory stays.
Okay.
That makes sense. And you're kind of cuckoo. I want to show you our pet pig.
What does cuckoo mean?
That means you're like kind of weird. That means you're not smart. Look, a pig!
Okay, just say he's a good boy.
Good dog.
And he's smart.
Yes, smart. Look, I'm going to feed the pig. To love me. Attack cow. Attack the cow.
You know the hog's mother is a cow and a pig and a. You know the hog's mother their mother is a cow and their dad is a horse. Also, I'm not making that joke. Wait, Harvey, can you stop now?
Okay.
Okay, the camera was blurry. Let's continue.
Ew. A glowing squid.
What's a squid?
Look, it's that. Has a lot of tentacles.
Shame.
Look, if you smack it. Look, your squid stuff.
I think he fell down.
Red, are you okay? Look, the glue.
I put my pen.
Get it. Ow!
I put my pen.
I'm dying.
I put my pen. Okay, I'm gonna change it. You're changing Bird's diaper. Hey, I'm back.
If you can't stop doing that's kind of weird.
I didn't know robots can poop.
Yeah, that's kind of bad. That's the only thing that the Roblox can't do, but I guess he's just an odd one.
He's a robot bird.
Yeah. That makes sense. Okay, now we got shit. I made two. Let's shear the sheep to make it naked. But, Bird, do you want to see? What's wrong? Stop! Get down! Get down. Don't say me, okay? We got to shear the grass.
What?
Yeah. That's how you shear the grass.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, why does it look like I'm eating your hand?
You're eating your mouth. Okay, let's do some. Okay, we got. Here's that habit.
1 hour later.
Yeah, we found diamonds, and we made a diamond back.
I'm bird.
I found diamonds. Diamonds!
Yeah, I'm gonna go to my dada.
He found Dada. Is he?
Yeah.
Is he? You're a Dada now.
Ow. I'm not your dad.
No. My voice is always like this.
I'm not your dad. I'm his dad.
No, whatever, you're fat. I said fat. What?
Turtle, you're a turtle.
So?
Now you can stomp on you.
So what?
It means that you'll be naked.
Okay.
How kidding me? Oh, you forgot your word.
You need to push him.
Can you stop? Okay. It's a bad time because it's at night. So,
It's 3 a.m. Literally 3 a.m.
Turtle, stop telling lies. I thought you're an adult. It's not 3 a.m.
My voice is every second.
Stop.
I literally told you my voice is literally always like this.
Stop. Okay. How are you getting bedtime? You're in bed and you should go
It's
sleep.
your bedtime.
Turtle, go to bed. You're not a kid.
No.
Okay, I'm turning the lights off.
Wait, what?
Okay, I'm not actually gonna do it.
Maybe he's still young.
I'm actually gonna do it this time. Okay, Turtle, go somewhere else then. She has to sleep.
Hey, do you want this pillow? That's one.
Actually, be warm.
You want me to?
But you have to sleep.
Paul, you can't get another one? Okay.
Actually, be warm.
Hey.
Okay.
Do you want a no?
Hobby, why didn't you groan?
I don't know, I'm just like this.
Okay, give it to me.
This.
Oh my god, it's really heavy.
Yeah.
Good news, bud. You have something to lay on.
Lay on? What does that mean? Doesn't it mean I'm gonna lay eggs?
Oh yeah, I forgot. He's a baby. He's acting like a baby, even though you're 16. Okay, Turtle, can you go?
I want to be here.
Then don't scream.
Okay. Then if I get scared after that.
Just go! I'm gone.
You know, soon.
Ah! Okay, but why are you scared of?
I don't want to have to like that.
Oh yeah.
Put a blindfold on.
Stop. Okay, but can you not be scared?
Yeah. Yeah, we tell me.
Okay.
Tell me a bedtime story.
Oh yeah. However, just tell him.
I'm not doing it. You do it.
Fine. 1 hour later, I'm telling. Is that enough? I told you like 10 bedtime stories.
Yeah. Say the phrase.
What is the phrase?
I see you say
Yeah,
it.
you know.
Good night. Don't let the bed bites bite.
You mean bed bugs? Bite. Okay, fine. Good night, bud. Don't let the bed bugs bite. No, I'm not turn off the light.
I really make no sense.
Just stop! Can you leave? No, wait. Let's go. Oh, God. Yeah. Okay, stop, bud.
Maybe turn this side.
Okay, just like broken.
There.
The light is definitely broken.
Let's turn off.
Yeah, okay.
There.
Yeah,
Turn that on. Turn that off.
let's tell our dad. Why does this look like a green screen? Okay.
How is still lying down
Let's
here?
tell our grandpa. Yeah, our grandpa wasn't available.
Yeah, that's so bad. Where did Steven go?
Alright, yeah, I went to check and he was not there. Anyways, this light is already on, so can you turn off the other light? It's kind of hurting my eyes.
You do it.
I'm only purple, you know.
Just do it. You do it. I'm not doing it. You do it.
Good. Okay, Buck, how can I make you sleep?
I'm sorry.
Oh, no! Okay, Buck, how can we make you sleep? I know.
Here's a banana.
Yay!
Here's a banana. You like it?
Yay!
You like it?
Yay! Okay, let's sleep.
Here's another banana. Are you awake? Okay.
It's the morning. Okay, can you stop making anything? Okay, but what do you want for breakfast? Yeah.
I'm just gonna have cheese and crackers.
I really like my back.
I'm gonna have cheese and crackers. Ted, do you want cheese and crackers for breakfast? Yeah.
What's cheese and crackers?
It's cheese, which is this, and here's crackers.
Or you can go to what's it called?
Stop. The shop, the canteen.
Pancake House.
Yes, you do want some cheese and crackers? We got some.
Yeah, they sell cheese and crackers.
Here, here's some.
Okay. Okay, guys, the reason we get Pancake House and instead of Waffle House because we don't want to get coffee right now, okay? Okay. But let's go. Yay. Okay, hi Triceratops. Oh, hi Yoshi. Long time no see. Yeah. Who's this next to you? Oh, that's my new son, Bud.
Yeah.
Why does he wear a diaper? Oh, I have a walkie-talkie. Okay, Turtle, can you stop? I'm gonna put it away. Okay. Okay, Bud, what do you want?
Pancakes, cheese and crackers, pizza, waffles, and pizza, and 4 large Coca-Colas.
We don't have waffles or pizza. I'm gonna shake my hand. Okay, just put the pizza recipes on a pancake or whatever. Okay, you can have a pizza. Yay! Okay, Teddy, make those quick.
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Oh yeah, friends, long time no see. What do you want?
I just want water
Alright, that's free.
to drink it.
Go over there. Okay, we'll get your pizza, waffle, pancakes, Coca-Cola. Okay, we need that. Okay, I want to eat pancakes, 4 pancakes, pizza, 1 pizza,
Yes, yes, water. Yes, water.
1 Coca-Cola, large Coca-Cola, and waffles. Okay, I'll try. Daddy, make those quick. Wait, we don't even have waffles. And your food will be ready in 7 minutes. Not fair. I want to be set 1 second. Fine. Soon. Next scene. Later. Okay, here's your food. Wow, I actually...
Try Santos. Can I have some beans?
Well, all them are here. Look at the future.
I just want water. Hey, can I have more? This, or this. Can I have 2 pieces of meat and 2 pieces of bacon?
Yay!
And a bowl of spaghetti and water.
Later. Just stop. Just take your food. It's out of future. So stop bugging me.
Hey, do you... Wait. Also, I'm going to get the pancake.
It's time for your bedtime, so yeah, goodbye.
The
Hi guys, welcome to Anthony's Question for $1 Million. We have 3 contestants today, and they are Yoshi, Bud, actually, and Turtle. Yeah.
I want to see.
So bad fun. You have to be there tomorrow. This is Deli.
I keep on
Okay. Stop. Okay. Now our first contestant, Yoshi. Yeah.
You haven't said that.
Oh.
Just watch your face.
Okay. Yoshi. I'm the waiter. Yoshi, what? Okay. Okay. In the Anzac Day, how many? Oh, stop. When did World War happen? Start actually. You have 3 stuff to have high chance. 1, call a friend. 2, ask Google on the air. 1 question of each eating. Or 3, just skip the answer. But only 5 times. Okay, okay. Question 1. What happened in World War I? I mean, when it started? I know. It's 1914. Okay, let me see if he's right. Hey Google, when did World War I started?
World War I lasted from the 28th of July 1914 to the 11th of November 1918.
Yoshi, you are correct. So you get one third of the money. Yeah, baby.
One chance of getting the money?
No, you mean one, it's 1/3. He gets a third of the money because he answered it right. Turtle. Okay, let's compare it. The robot bird. No, but since you're wearing a diaper, meaning that you're probably a little. Okay.
Make it easy.
Okay, who do you tell to not stop that? Daddy. Ding, 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 ding. We got that from SML, and sadly that channel will be deleted.
They're just joking.
Anyways, we got that from SML, and Bird is correct. He gets to get the other third of that money. Yay! Hi, Daddy. Okay, the fact you can only do that when you want to use one of your strength. Okay. I'm gonna ask you a question since you're a turtle.
It needs to be like a sea question.
What's my favorite color? You know me for a long time, remember?
I would say purple with your branches purple and your soil purple.
Wrong!
What?
Okay.
Let me
That's another question.
It's too hard.
I only have 3 chances. Okay. How many people died in the anthrax?
I know how many, but I forgot.
Okay.
It's around like
Turtle, you're
5,000 or something. I don't know.
it has to be a kid.
Yes.
Then why are you so
About like
negative?
5,000, 4,000, 3,000. About one of those. I don't know.
Okay, which one? You choose.
5,000 because that's my exact.
You are incorrect. It was 60,000. I mean million. Actually millions.
What?
60
No, it's only
million.
1,000. Let's ask
Okay.
How many people died in World War I?
Okay. Hey Google. How many people died in the Anzac? I said in the Anzac.
120,000.
Oh, well,
Here's a
that's good.
summary from the website
You also won.
apl.au.
You also won.
Both wrong. So
You still won. Okay, one. Okay, you have one more
Make
chance.
it easy, bro. I'm still
You're
young.
turtle.
What?
You're literally a
Make it be a
ghost.
C question. I only
Okay.
get a C question.
Okay, what's the most poison? What's the one of the poisonous fish in Australia? You said you know this one.
A pufferfish? In Minecraft.
Wrong. The most. Okay, one of the poisonous fish is a rockfish.
No one knows that.
Hey Google
I know
knows.
Yoshi.
I heard it.
Hey Yoshi, do you know what the poisonous fish in the world?
It's not in the world. It's not in the world. It's one of them. I said one. Name one.
Hey, let me.
Understand?
Make a question.
Okay. Okay. Since you and you live in the same house, I guess you win.
Give me the money.
I'm calling the police. Since Turtle's arrested, right there. Ow. And we got the money back, so here you. Stop! What are you thinking? Hey, just stop right there! Chinese, you age restricted video. Okay, Turtle's definitely arrested. He's removed the video because he got video age restricted nearly. So now Yoshi and Bert, since you live in the same house, You all win the $1 million. You guys win $10,000 because we gonna make the second one. Okay. Yay! You did. You win the $1 million. See you out. 2. Who can win $1 million? I don't really know the name. I don't remember. Change that in the video. Anyways, title. You get to have a second chance. Okay, don't be violent this time.
Let me make an animation about guns.
Age restricted. Okay, stop. No. Okay, title you removed again. Evan, this time you're gonna do it.
I don't want them to do work with title.
I guess Evan doesn't want to the $1 million.
I'm doing it tomorrow because I need to do it. Title. Yeah.
Okay. The contestants are ding 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 ding
Cooper?
ding 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 ding. Cooper,
Is that Cooper?
Teddy,
What?
and
Wait, let me get his
it's not God Teddy.
Get it. Come here.
It's not God Teddy.
Get it.
Okay. Evan, do you want to do it?
Why are you looking at me weird?
You want to win $1 million?
I'll do it.
Okay, Todd and the last contestant are winning from Turtle. And Evan, you have to be his partner. Stop acting like Jeffy.
Title. Come here.
Okay,
Come here.
okay. But okay, Teddy will go first. Teddy.
Okay, can you make the questions easier because everyone has.
Whatever. Teddy. It's not my fault. It's the audience fault. This is on TV. Yeah, TV. Yeah, and it's not my fault. It's the audience. They wanna ask questions, and I choose the most decent one. Anyways, Teddy, what color is the sky? I mean, what's your name? Oh, you just said that, Teddy. What color is the sky? Blue, duh. Well, right now it's black. Think blue. And what's the opposite of down? Up. Put your answer together. Teddy, blue, up. I hate you! Okay, fine. Ow. Okay, fine. Now, enter different ones. Okay. Are you black? Yes, I'm a black bear.
No, you're not. You're brown.
When I said black, I mean like the human skin color black. Like black people and
Not
stuff.
Black.
No, never mind.
Not black.
Oh yeah. What was the first Mario game? Okay, how can I explain this? It's the Mario arcade game. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, you have to answer the second question because it's the second version.
Hey, we all live in the same house, so.
Stop.
And all the alley. Why are you even here?
Okay, Teddy. What? Who's your girlfriend?
Your Teddy?
Okay, don't you dare try and have my girlfriend. Fine. Anyways, what's else? Oh yeah. Okay, what's the most popular game? Sonic. Wait, what? It's Mario. Mario's more popular. He's been here for longer. Fine, I'll leave. Girlfriend, we should leave. Fine. Let's go to the bed.
Hey, can we make a 5 minute video?
That'll come next week.
Oh.
Okay, and the second contestant is Cooper. We already did that.
We gotta make week 2.
Did that. I was joking. Okay, Cooper, how does it feel to be on stage? Yeah, you don't talk. What now? Because he's
sleeping.
nervous. Oh, it was just you.
You're sleeping, see?
No, never mind. Okay, Cooper, answer this question. 2 questions. Okay, what's your favorite color? I mean the world's favorite color. I mean most of them.
No one knows that. How would Look, Cooper.
Okay, it's red. Ding, 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 ding. Mario's red. Everyone likes Mario. It's red. Okay.
It's the same color
Okay.
as mine.
What? Stop trying to make our video age restricted. Okay. Okay. And scale of 1 to 10. What is the most popular Mario Party game? Super Mario Party. Super. Okay. Let's ask Google. Because I'm not sure actually. Hey Google. What's the popular Mario Party game?
Video games frequently mentioned on the web include Super Mario Party, Super Mario Party, Mario Party 10,
Google.
and others.
What is the most popular Mario game? Oh wait, no. Hey Google. What is the most popular Mario Party game?
Video games frequently mentioned on the web include Super Mario Party, Mario Party 2, Mario Party 8, and others.
What the? I never heard of these actually. I never heard of these. These are other Mario games.
Now look, tell them what's this elephant.
Oh. Anyways, you're probably wrong. I don't really know. Get out of here.
You have to make an animation about tell them what's this elephant.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, Turtle and Elephant. Here's your second chance. Okay, so.
Make it easy, seriously. My brain is the
Stop.
size of a walnut, both of us.
Okay, what is Elephant's favorite color? Turtle, you can only answer this.
Right.
Oh,
That's correct. Is that way?
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay. Elephant. Anyways, what is this is the hardest. What?
Seriously, our brains are like a size of a walnut. We
Okay.
already know our favorite color.
What is
Is that?
the Koopa's favorite color? I mean, is Robot Bird's favorite color?
That's kind of simple because it's blue. He's blue. White. He's really white.
No, his favorite color is green.
That makes no sense.
Okay, fine. I'll give you one more chance. Answer this
Make
one.
it easy, seriously.
Okay, what is inside that baggy thingy? Dun, 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 dun.
What water is he's shaking your water.
Yeah, but actually, inside when you take the wet
A
thing
pack
off.
of warm water that can't rip. Only if you like smash it with a hammer, which is gonna rip.
It is.
You don't know, I know.
Dun.
No one knows.
Are you sure?
Look, there's also electric.
Are you sure?
Look, there's also this electric.
Are you sure? No cheating. Are you sure?
Yeah.
It is. Correct. Ding! Okay, here's the money.
This is just paper.
Oh, okay. Here's the real money. Ding.
Yeah, let's renting of it.
And 1 million. Until then, let's see you tomorrow.